Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bethany and today I have my very first handbag unboxing. I'm so excited. So, I'm sure you can tell by the title of this video what it is. So, a little background on this bag. I had it in the canvas material in the size small. And it just was too big. I actually, in my luxury wish list, I told you guys that I was probably going to sell it. I ended up selling it. And I bought this one because I just feel like it's probably more functional for me. So I'm crossing my fingers that I love it as much as I love it, like looking at it online. So let's just get into the unboxing. Okay, so I have my box here. It is a little damaged on the side right here, but I mean, I'm not really worried about that because it's just the box. So let me try to do this where you can't see my address. Okay, hopefully that works. Okay, so I don't know how to do this because my address is on this side, but you just open it up and it says Marc Jacobs. It's just like a yellow box inside, and then the bag is just kind of thrown in here. So we have just I assume it's just like my receipt and stuff. Yes, just my receipt in case I want to return it. And then the bag. I heard somewhere online that if you want to return this, it has to have like all of the stuff on it, but I don't know if that's true because I want to make sure I love it first, you know? Lots of paper to cover it. Oh, this is a cute size. I almost wish I kept my other one so I could compare the sizes. I should have done that, but I didn't. Oh, it feels so nice. Everyone says it feels so nice. It is way smaller than I thought it would be. I think it's just because I had my other one, but this is so cute. All right. I am going to keep the tag on it just to make sure I love it. This is just, I think, more stuffing. Okay, so far I love this. This is really cute. It just says the tote bag Marc Jacobs in like, just a darker tone. And then on the back, so like you can wear it on either way. So like this just looks more plain and simple. It says the Marc Jacobs style, the tote bag, location NYC, year 1984, right there on the back. And I think I paid, yeah, I paid $3.75 for it. It ended up coming out to I think $3.98 with taxes and stuff. Yeah, so inside it just has stuffing. This is a bunch of stuffing. And then these two are the dust bag and then the strap. So this dust bag is really cute. Not that I use dust bags, but you know. That's so cute. But whenever like I do go somewhere, if I wasn't to use the bag and I was to store it in my suitcase, I would use it. And then I've seen a ton of people get thick like guitar straps for this bag, and I'm like sort of wanting to do that just for a different look, you know. And the leather feels really nice. This is just like a thin strap, and it has little clips. I think I'm going to pause for a second and take everything off. Or most things off because it is a little bit messy right now. So, one sec. Okay, I'm back. I did keep the handle covers on, and this one and the zipper pull. I just want to make sure that I love it before taking everything off and deciding if I like want to keep it or not, but I'm probably keeping it because this is so cute. I love this. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's such a good color too. Okay, so inside, it's just, this actually looks, yeah, like a leather lining, which is, wow, really nice. And then on this back side here, I don't know which way is the best to show you, but it's just a slip pocket. Usually I'd put like my lipsticks and stuff in something like that. And then this little Marc Jacobs tab, it is a pocket, but don't know what you would put in that. And then this is just like an authenticity card. So yeah. Okay, so I got the description up, and it is full grain leather. It has a top zip closure, which I love because sometimes like when you're driving and your purse is on your front seat, it just kind of, when you stop, it kind of falls. Yeah, I like that. That has a zipper. The dimensions on this is 10 inches in length. It is 5 inches in depth, and then 8 inches in height. And yeah, it's just I'm going to do mod shots for you, and then I'm going to I'm using right now my Neo Noe, and girlfriend is stuffed. She is stuffed because I was looking for Christmas gifts today. So I have my notebook and everything in there. So I'm going to do mod shots real quick, and then we're going to see what fits inside this baby. So I have it on whatever setting it came on, which is right in the middle. There's 1, 2, middle, 1, 2. So this is what it looks like. On my shoulder, I think that's a really good length for like a shoulder bag. And then crossbody. I feel like you can't see, but this is where the handles are. And then if I was, a lot of times I'll probably wear it like this, more just on my arm. So cute. Okay, so that's what it looks like on, and it smells really good. It smells like leather, like real leather. It smells like if you were to walk into a tack store. One of my favorite smells. Weird, I know, but growing up riding horses, you walk into a tack store and you're like, this is home. I was also thinking about doing like a comparison between these two, just because I feel like before I got it, I was like, oh, I'm pretty sure they're like really similar in size, and they are. So if that is a video you want to see, please let me know, because I would be happy to do that. But yeah, that is it for me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Will you see? Okay. What are you doing? Okay, going over there.